Here they come. They're off. Down along the inside for the early lead, Supreme Power came away well. Getting off second there was One Bad Boy. Racing in third, STORMIC Rain on the outside fourth. Van Cruz in fifth position of the quarter. Goes Mossy Creek. And around the turn, the early leader by two, Supreme Power racing in second position. One Bad Boy, they go off the quarter, 27-3. Van Cruz looking to drop in third there as they go to the half mile. On the front end, staying out there by a length and a half, Supreme Power. One Bad Boy racing second, Van Cruz tucks in third. Racing in fourth position and out of fourth now as they go to the half mile. That's STORMIC Rain. Keeping that lead by a length, the leader Supreme Power. Racing right there second, One Bad Boy on the outside third as they go to the upper turn, Mossy Creek. Along the rail, Van Cruz. On the front end, keeping the lead a length and three quarters, that's Supreme Power. One Bad Boy racing second. Turning for home, Supreme Power keeps that lead. One Bad Boy along the inside second. Quickly up on the outside now to get the lead in the stretch is Mossy Creek. Final quarter of a mile, it's Mossy Creek the leader. Closing ground, second in the lane is STORMIC Rain. It's Mossy Creek. Stormy Rain gains ground second. Mossy Creek, Stormy Rain coming on. It's going to be tight. STORMIC Rain, Mossy Creek, and One Bad Boy. 342, $358.20.